Hello everybody, this is Adrian for WapCar.my and I'm all about the details. Welcome to Brisbane, Australia, and let us welcome the Smart #5. Smart's all-new, all-electric, outdoor luxury SUV. Obviously, the designers meant the #5 to be a rugged off-road SUV. As you can tell from the entire look, it's boxy, it's rugged. You have all these silver elements that is, well, plastic, but it looks metal. Now over to the side here is where you'll tell that it's really an off-road looking SUV, from the boxy shape, the roof rails, and over here, the only thing that doesn't make a lot of sense as an off-road vehicle are the 20-inch monoblock alloys. I particularly like this color. It's kind of like a sand dune color. It's a bit bronzy, champagne. I quite like it. And here you will see the design language really reflects itself, the family design language of the Smart #1. It's quite similar over to the back. Now these are the taillights that I was talking about. It mimics to the front. It mirrors the front of the car, the headlights, with the 4 dots over here and the sides. I think it's quite nice. Now this one here is the standard #5, sort of the top grade variant, but there is a limited Summit edition, which you get additional roof rails, roof box, side ladders, as well as side steps. That really adds a lot of practicality, and if you're ready to take your Smart #5 out onto the open road, into the wilderness, I think the Summit edition will be your pick. Other exterior highlights to the Smart #5, well, the basic stuff would be the 360-degree camera, the millimeter wave radar. Now, one thing I want to point out are the front here. At the front here, there's a projector feature, which projects, your movies, your shows over to a projector screen, which you can use it on the great outdoors. I think this is quite a cool feature, but my only question is what happens when there are stone chips and it chips here? What's going to happen? But yeah. The Smart logo on the C-pillar illuminates up at night, and this is where the charging port's at. It's touch sensitive, so just a tap and it opens up to the charging port. And then once you close it, there's a button over there. There we go. Now the Smart #5 runs on an 800 volt all-electric platform, and it has a 100 kWh battery pack, which allows a theoretical CLTC range of 740 kilometers. And not only that, DC fast charging from 10 to 80% takes a mere 15 minutes. Now, as rugged and tough the exterior looks, the cabin paints a totally different story. This feels like an entirely upmarket premium luxury cabin. The materials, the touch points, there's a combination of leather, wood, and mind you, this is actually a pre-production model, not the final one that customers will get. But it gives me a sense that they are getting a lot of things right. For example, the screens right here, you have 3 screens. The main passenger will have one, the central display, the instrument cluster, and there's also a head-up display that's massive. Now what's really cool about this screen is that it runs on an AMD V2000 processor. So what it tells me is that they are investing a lot on this infotainment screen. Now this infotainment screen, it reminds me of Mercedes S-Class's Hyperscreen, right, in the EQSs. There's a lot, it's very vivid, it's a lot of functionalities, so many things to play with. But what I love the most about this screen is that it supports 256 color ambient lighting. That's a whole lot more than what you get in Mercedes. Now, other really cool points about the cabin of the #5 would be this 20 speakers Sennheiser sound system that pumps out 2000 watts of power. And I just had a little bit of a here. It's actually very impressive. One of the best in the industry. Now down here, there's a portable speaker which can detach and use it for your outdoor kind of relaxation. Plus with the projector, I think this is really helpful when you just make it outdoors. Now, other really cool features that you get in here is the passenger seat where Julian is sitting. Julian is from Singapore. Hi guys. Now, he's sitting right here. There's a zero gravity function. By a press of a button, he'll go into relaxation mode. And the rear seats are able to fold down to offer up to 1,500 liters of cargo space. And the rear seats are also adjustable up to 121 degrees of recline. No, sorry, that's the front seats. And the rear seats are able to also recline a little bit for a more comfortable sitting position. Now, something that's also really cool is that they have all 4 windows double glazed. So there you have it, the global premiere of the Smart #5. First impressions are actually very impressive. I think this one would change Smart's product portfolio, and I'm really looking forward for it to be coming into the Malaysian market. What about you guys? Do you think that the Smart #5 is your next perfect car? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one.